Congress to more breaking inputs that we're tracking this afternoon. Now, the Prime Minister has doubled down on quota charge. He's put the OBC quota at centre stage in Madhya Pradesh. In fact, the Karnataka OBC quota for Muslims, where the Prime Minister has stated that Congress is desperate to appease its vote bank. So that's the big political statement being made by the Prime Minister. Remember, this was made just a while ago while he was addressing a rally in Madhya Pradesh. Let's listen in.
जब देश की एक प्रधानमंत्री बहन इंदिरा जी नहीं रही तो उनकी जो मिल्कियत थी, उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी, वो उनकी संतानों को मिलनी थी। लेकिन पहले ऐसा कानून था कि वो उनको मिलने से पहले एक हिस्सा सरकार ले लेती थी। कांग्रेस ने पहले ऐसा कानून बनाया था। अब सरकार को पैसा चला न जाए, प्रॉपर्टी को बचाना था, तो इन्होंने क्या कर दिया, उस प्रॉपर्टी को बचाने के लिए अपनी माता इंदिरा गांधी से मिले हुए पैसों को बचाने के लिए उस समय के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान राजीव गांधी ने अपनी संपत्ति बचाने के लिए पहले जो इनहेरिटेंस कानून था उसको समाप्त किया और खुद के पैसे बचा लिए।
Well, clearly the Prime Minister did not hold back attacking, beg your pardon, the Congress, but that also has had a strong retort. Let's listen to what Jairam Ramesh had to say.
बीजेपी परेशानी है, खास तौर से उनके मुख्य प्रचारक प्रधानमंत्री जी भोकलाए हुए हैं और 19 तारीख से सारे एजेंडा को दूसरे दिशा में ले जाने की प्रयास कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने हमारे न्याय पत्र को पहले सांप्रदायिक रंग देने की कोशिश की, बाद में कई ऐसे बातें उठाई जिसका जिक्र हमारे न्याय पत्र में बिल्कुल है ही नहीं है।
Makrand, my colleague, joins me for more. Makrand, good afternoon. Clearly, we heard both those reactions, and it was going to only be raising the political temperatures.
Yeah, the political temperature is rising very fast because Lok Sabha election is on fire, and right now both the parties are making allegations on each other. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi was in Morena today, and he addressed the people there. He addressed the Vijay Sankalp rally, and there he said that these days the Prince of Congress is enjoying insulting Modi every day. He keeps on saying anything to Modi. Some people are unhappy with such language being used for Narendra Modi, his country. And PM Modi said that I request everyone that please don't be sad, don't be angry. They are Namdar and we are Kamdar. So these kind of statements are made by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. He said about inheritance, which Sam Pitroda was saying yesterday on social media, and he said that the facts relating the inheritance tax are eye-opening, and he claimed that former PM Indira Gandhi died and her children were going to get property, but there was the rule earlier that before the property goes to the children, some part of it was taken by the government. So these kind of statements are made by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, and after that Jairam Ramesh was countering this claim. So right now in Lok Sabha election, all the things are rushing by both the parties, and allegations are there, and counterfire is also there by Congress. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi was yesterday in Bhopal also. He was in Sagar and Harda also, and there he was regularly targeting Congress party, and this is a big thing for BJP, that Congress is making allegations on personal life of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, and PM Modi is taking this as an opportunity to target the Congress party.
Right, Makrand. I appreciate you getting us those important inputs. Of course, the inheritance tax is one aspect, but he's also doubled down on the quota charge. For a moment, let's leave it at that. Let's shift our focus now to big news that we're tracking as far as